Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see some new features in software, so just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the setting. So here I will click to the create and I will select the general, and here so the new features which we have added, that is uh, in general contact number is mandatory and unique. So here you can see, if I select yes, so yes, while the customer creation edit, the contact number will be validated to find another profile existence on the same number. So you can keep the mobile number unique and mandatory. So while if you create the duplicate customer, yeah, it will give you the pop-up message to find the similar customer, and you can identify your if it is a defaulter of the company or any other. So I will just add this option, and here I will close this. Let's go to the profile and create profile. So here I will select the customer group. Group is mandatory in our customer creation. So let's say without adding number, I will just try to save this. So file number 4 is saved. Why it is saved? Let's have a look. Why it is not giving the proper message. If value is, while customer creation or edit, contact number will be validated to find the another profile existence on the same number. The scan will be done for all available contacts like contact 1, contact 2, address, contact, permanent address. Okay. So contact number is we need to keep unique. So let's go to the profile and create. So I will create one new profile. Let's say 9403180993, and I will save. So again the same number. I will try to create with the different customer name. So here also it is getting saved. So we need to add one more setting. So I will go to the setting, and we need to keep the here unique identity on. So, so here you can see customer unique identity on. So here I will add the mobile. It should be unique. So I will add for mobile. We need to add MOBL. Okay, capital MOBL, and keep it as a unique. Now let's create the profile again with the same number and different name. You can see this message here. It is spelled the mobile unique IDs already exist. So you can find this member is already exist, and you can search with the M dash with mobile number and find the customer here. You can see one customer is already here. Now we can't create one more profile from the create profile. that setting